Hi there, I'm Charles Abeghe and I'm thrilled to welcome you to Off-Grid Power, a YouTube channel dedicated to exploring and sharing clean, innovative and containerized power sources from around the world. With over 2 decades in the energy and utilities sector, my journey started as a petroleum engineer in Nigeria to roles in Ghana, Liberia, Mali, France, UK, Italy, USA and Canada. My career has spanned greenfield projects, brownfield developments to large-scale retrofits, including work on the 3 billion Shell Bonga FPSO project. This extensive experience has given me a first-hand understanding of the devastating impact of greenhouse gases on our climate. This YouTube channel is a culmination of my dedication. It is designed to be your go-to resource for cost-effective, clean, and containerized power plants, whether you are an individual or a business. So please subscribe and join me in this exciting venture. Let's make a positive impact on our planet.